Devix Brings is a talented young superstar who has been slaying with the high notes on the TV reality show The Voice. Devix Brings sang hit Waves by Glass Animals. He is originally from Queens, New York but had moved to York County, Pennsylvania to be closer to his mother who has cerebral palsy, he explained to the judges. At first her performance didn't convince the judges enough to turn around, but as she continued with the song, something about everything she did worked, and Stefani, Legend and Cabello turned their chairs to look for her. When it came time to choose a team, she opted for Team Camila. He is a one-man band specializing in alternative rock and indie folk music. Devix released a 2013 EP called False Echoes to Bandcamp and it's still available there. He remains to be at a younger age and is working in direction of a greater future in music. He has been hosting an open mic twice a month at a venue in New York and performs regularly throughout central Pennsylvania, including Lancaster and Harrisburg. He was 8 when his brother brought home a guitar and Devix decided to pick up the instrument. The guitar has been his primary instrument ever since. He was destined to be a singer because throughout his life he has given his time to become a better singer. Devix learned looping because high school ended. The band members headed off to college, so I had to figure out a way to keep it going without a band. So he started performing as Devix, and the name of the project became the name of Eric Tors as a performing solo artist. He has lots of original music, but you won't find it on traditional streaming sites with the exception of a 2012 single called You Will Remember This.